Hey, very good morning from Miami Port. My name is Ronan.
And my name's Alex, and we are just about to go on board MSC's Seascape ship for a cruise around the Caribbean. Forgot what the stops are, but Ronan knows.
Yeah, Puerto Plata, San Jose, the Bahamas, Nassau, and then over to the Ocean Cay Island. Just dropped our bags off here. A little bit weird, the porter took our luggage, but then was like, oh, if you need to tip, the right place to tip here.
That's really not a great impression. I always think it's really bad when people ask for tips, because it's kind of, I think it's quite off-putting.
Well, they've not done anything for us yet.
No.
The bags aren't delivered. If the bag was delivered quickly, then you might tip, but they've literally not even lifted the bags out of the car, so... Yeah, because we tipped the taxi driver here, he lifted the luggage out, took us to Walmart and stuff, but I don't know what I'd be tipping someone for if they haven't done anything, but yeah. But anyway, we'll see you on board. So, rather chaotic, really, I've got to say.
It's a very mixed experience. Initially, we only got told off to basically to stop filming. Very shouty, very... it felt like being in a swimming pool. You don't really want shouting.
Like, they were ruder than the TSA, 100%.
We then went through into the MSC check-in area, which was a much better experience. Although for some reason they needed an ESTA number, even though I'm here in the States already, which is a bit odd. So I had to faff around trying to find out when that expired. We're through now, and here's the boat.
Just on a massive walk.
The next of us, yeah. And
yeah, it's a rather long walk, isn't it, from the security.
I think just to add, it seems very much that the majority of people seem to be very unprepared that they're going on a boat and don't have anything ready, which I think is just causing delays in the process.
Yeah, no one's got their boarding pass out. Everyone seems to have a paper boarding pass when you can just have it on your phone. Like, who prints off a boarding pass for a plane anymore? So we're just on to board, and we'll let you know once we're on. Heading onto it now.
Checkpoint.
Yeah, there's another checkpoint where they scan the boarding pass, but that's, I think, MSC security checkpoint, not the port. So yeah, so just getting on now. Very hot jet bridge. I don't know if it's called a jet bridge, is it? What would it be called?
Ship bridge.
Is it ship bridge? Yeah. So me and Alex have just found a little hack if you actually know where you're going.
And you want to carry your luggage up 2 stairs of floors.
So to the back of the lift. Just come up to the top deck here. Well, not top deck, but for a drink. Really nice weather.
Trying to find some shade now so I don't get burnt like a lobster.
So just heading down, here we are. Let's have a look. Beautiful day though here in Miami. It's about 30 degrees, but feels about 40 in the sun. Yeah, nice and moist as well.
Humid.
Very moist.
Sticky moist.
So we're just out on the deck at the moment, having a Miami Vice in Miami. It's fabulous. Alex is just trying to get his Instagram picture now. 3 cocktails down at the moment. Miami Vice in Miami. So here we are. Cheers to Miami. Very much looking forward to setting sail and getting a bit of wind behind us. But yeah, for me so far it's been very positive. I think Alex is enjoying himself, but I'll let him tell you how he's feeling.
Yeah.
This is Alex's first official time leaving land on a cruise ship.
Petrified. Ronan says it's going to be really rocky.
It might be.
We've not left there, have we yet?
Yeah, we have.
Look at all the murky, look at all that. I think, you go to the toilet earlier, didn't you? So here we are, everyone. Departing the port of Miami from Gate Delta D.
Charlie we were
Oh,
at.
Charlie, everyone apologies for that minor discrepancy there. Quite murky water on the departure.
That's the amount of thrust that's pushing water.
Oh, we like a bit of thrust, don't we? That's the smallest boat.
Larger.
The largest cruise boat, everyone. Okay. And to be fair, that looks like a playground for kids, really.
So if you are fortunate to cruise with MSC next year, they have a whole new terminal area being built currently.
Here.
And there's the largest ship in the world.
Oh, thanks so much.
Thank you. So just got to the room 13166. Alex hasn't actually seen the room yet.
Right, this is meant to be massive.
No, it's not. It's the complete opposite. Alex is first.
There we go. I've heard really good things about this from Roland, so in we go. It's about 1:30. They said the room's going to be ready around 2, although it looks ready now. Where's the bathroom? In here?
Yeah, right there.
Oh. Well, this isn't too bad. You made it sound like it was going to be horrendous. So we'll start with a bathroom tour. Actually, some good amounts of space for storage. What do you put in there? Oh, it's wet. I guess that's a bath thingy, and we've got 2 small towels. Got wet hands now. I've got the nice bit of pressure. Does that soap work? Oh, nice bit of soapage. Oh, we'll have a look in the shower. Bit of mould there at the bottom actually, but overall relatively clean, generally speaking. It smells a bit musty actually. Okay, now into the main room then. So we've got 1 chair with that's like the world's tiniest stain, but I can see there is a little bit of stain on there. There is some storage here. So what's this? Criminal Response and Security Act. Don't know what that's for. Envelope and internet packages. I mean, that looks a bit battered really. I mean, is it meant to be in the envelope? Or is it there from before? I don't know. But it was kind of all scattered. I don't know, it looks a bit...
But maybe they haven't done the inspection because we are in here, but there was still a cleaning in progress sign.
Yeah, maybe that's the case. Breakfast order. Does that cost, is it?
No, free for us.
Oh, nice. As a Diamond member.
No, it's because we booked this out package.
Oh, okay. Mini bar, is that free? No, it's not, is it? What's this?
It's so you can put your...
So you can put your luggage on it?
Yeah, so you can put your luggage on it.
Yeah, alright, thank you. Gosh. All these towels as well. Beach towels.
Yeah.
Can you get more beach towels down at the pool?
You have to swap them out.
Oh, okay, that's a shame. Okay. And then... What's that?
To go on the bottom of the bed when this isn't on there.
Nice, hopefully that's nice and clean. Oh, what's that?
That'll be a report. I don't know. It's a mark on like a stain.
Is that chocolatey or ready?
I don't know. It looks ready, so we'll be reporting that to the front desk.
Where's the front desk?
Yeah.
Where's the front desk?
Down
In the middle of the ship.
Yeah.
So this is a room consisting of 2 singles apparently, according to Rona, although it looks like a double bed.
Yeah, but there's 2 singles, so it's put together.
Oh, okay. So,
There's a bed test.
oh yeah, well,
Just move that.
well, I'm doing a bed test on the red bit.
No, down there. You don't need
Right, okay. Bed test, everyone. Here we go. Oh, oh no, that is not comfortable. Oh, yeah, not comfortable. That isn't. Do you want to have a look? Oh, you need to do the bed test. I think you're going to moan about that. Right, here we go, everyone.
Okay, here we go. Right. It's like a university bed.
Though.
It's like
you need to sit down a bit more force.
It's like it's like a university bed.
You haven't been to university.
Yeah, I have. Yeah. You know, it's like a cheap bed. But anyway, we won't be spending too much time in the room. So. And these beds pull down from above as well.
Oh, should we do that?
No, you have to go get them to do it. It's for people when they've got 4 people in a room.
Oh, that'd be good. Can we get them down like, to show people for the video?
No. Right, okay. Anyway, we'll see you later on. Bye-bye. So, it's Ronan from the future here. Just remember, if you have enjoyed this video, do click that like and subscribe button, because we've got plenty more cruise videos upcoming, especially in the ports and what we liked and didn't like, plus overview on the food and dining options on board MSC Seascape.